Steve, Mrs. Schiffer, Nikégan, agus Mrs. Montagoiga, and so I'm the Irish teacher here at the Irish Cultural Centre at Elms College. And the question I was asked was, why is the Cultural Centre important? And I think I could give 1,000 reasons as to why it's so important and it's such a valuable asset to this community. One of the things that always strikes me is the fact that America being such a multicultural society, it's really important that we don't forget about that and that we don't continue to promote and celebrate the various cultural diversity in the US. And I think our Irish culture is one of those cultures which is huge importance, and there were so many immigrants who came to the US from that culture. And it's also something that everyone can get involved in. And I think that's something about Irish culture that's unique in many ways, that on St. Patrick's Day, everyone is Irish. It's como mas fáin acu, no mas franc acu, no mas American acu. Tá chuile buintachán agus bíon crack agus free aige the chuile. I'm also here as part of the Fulbright program who've sponsored this project, I suppose, and it shows how the Irish government as well as the American government are so supportive of promoting the language particularly and the culture and the links between our two governments and our two countries which go back God knows how long. So Bígí Lynn Buinsolta is linne í an Gaeilge agus is linne fad an cultúr all an ár